If you want to enable the step counter on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the Fitbit app that should be pre-installed on your phone. However, if for some reason you don't have the Fitbit app, then you should be able to go to the Play Store, for example, and you should be able to easily find and download the app over here. And once you open the app, we can just sign in with Google. This is definitely the quickest way to create an account. And afterwards, you will have to set up all the details, which is pretty easy to do, of course. You should be able to just follow all these instructions to do so. And if needed, we need to set permissions over here. Let's grant the permission for notifications. And then we have the step counter over here in this app. However, besides that, we can add this step counter to the home screen. Let's just press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then we can choose widgets. Now over here, find Fitbit, there we go, and we can choose this 2x2 widget. Just press and hold your finger, and then drop the widget somewhere over here. You can also change the size of the widget if you want to, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.